Next question. The present credit terms of P company are 1 by 10 net 30. It means that the credit period that we offer to the customer is 30 days, and if customers are making payment in 10 days, there will be a cash discount at the rate of 1%. Its annual sales are rupees 80 lakhs. Its average collection period is 20 days. Its variable cost and average total cost to sales are 0.85 and 0.95 respectively. Cost of capital is 10%. The proportion of the sales on which customers currently take discount is 0.50. P company is considering relaxing its discount terms to 2 by 10 net 30. Such relaxation is expected to increase the sales by rupees 5 lakhs. So right now the sales is provided to us at example 80 lakhs. It will increase by 5 lakhs and it will increase to 85 lakhs. Reduce ACP average collection period to 14 days and increase the proportion of the discount sales to 0.8. What will be the effect of relaxing the discount policy on the company's profit? That is a question. Take year as 360 days. I just give you a small explanation. What does the term 1 by 10 net 30 means? Dear students, over here it has a meaning like this: 1 by 10 net 30. 1%, 10 days, net 30 days. It means that we offer credit period of 30 days to customers. We offer 30 days credit to customers. At the same time, we have told to the customers that if at all you make payment within 10 days, then in that case, you will be given cash discount at the rate of 1%. 1% cash discount if you make payment within 10 days, otherwise your credit period is 30 days. And that we are considering to change to like this 2 by 10 net 30. It means that say again the credit period is 30 days. Again the credit period is 30 days. However, if you make payment within 10 days, then in that case you will be given cash discount instead of 1% at the rate of 2%. Please go through the question. So friends, over here the information is given to us like this. I am just giving explanation of the question. Presently we are offering the credit period as 1 by 10 net 30. In that information is given that say right now the sales of the company is an amount of 80 lakhs. Further it has been given that average collection period is 20 days. Then we have been given that so the variable cost to sales are 0.85. Average total cost to sales is 0.95. Like that information is given. Cost of capital is given as 10%. Then it has been given that so the proportion of sales availing cash discount is 0.50. The company is considering to extend the credit terms to 2 by 10 net 30. What kind of impact that it will have? It will increase the sales to 85 lakhs. That is 80 lakhs plus 5 lakhs. Reduce the average collection period from 20 days to 14 days. Increase the proportion of the discount sales to 0.8. So taking 360 days in a year. we are required to make the calculation of answer. So dear students, over here we are required to take a decision that say whether the company should continue with the existing credit period of 1 by 10 net 30, or it should offer the new credit period of 2 by 10 net 30. That is a question. Please write an answer along with me. 1 by 10 net 30 means credit period is 30 days. Full stop. If customer is making payment within 10 days, comma, customer will be given cash discount at the rate 1%. So this is only a meaning that I have dictated to you. Now I request all of you to write in the chat box that say this question can be solved by all the three methods or any two methods or by any one method. Please write your answer in the chat box. So friends, this question can be solved by first method or second method. We cannot do the third method. Why? Because the existing sales and the new sales are not same. First method can be applied. Why? Because all the three information are there: existing sales, new sales, and the cost information. I request all of you to write an answer. Heading right down. Total profit or loss approach. For decision making. Step number 1, calculation of total fixed cost. I request you to write answer in the chat box. What is the total fixed cost? Dear students, we understand total cost is equal to total variable cost plus total fixed cost. As far as the total cost is concerned, in that it is 80 lakhs into 0.95, because it has been provided to us that average total cost to sales ratio 95 and variable cost is 85. Variable cost to sales ratio is 80 lakhs into 0.85 plus total fixed cost 76 lakhs. 68 lakhs. 76 minus 68. That comes to 8 lakhs. This is the way the total fixed cost can be calculated. Step number 2, variable cost to sales ratio. Dear students, we can see variable cost is 85% of the revenue. So we can mention over here 85%. Okay. Step number 3, calculation of the profit or loss for existing and new credit policy. So existing and new, two options are there. I request you to write in the chat box that what is the profit or loss for existing credit policy 1 by 10 net 30. So dear students, we have been given that say right now sales of the company is an amount of 80 lakhs. Variable cost is 85% of the revenue. So 80 lakhs into 0.85. That comes to 68 lakhs. Total fixed cost, it is 8 lakhs. Now we'll deduct the carrying cost. We have been provided with information that say right now the collection period is 20 days. So we understand it is 68 lakhs plus 8 lakhs divided by 360 into 20 into 10 percentage. So in that case it is 68 lakhs plus 8 lakhs into 20 into 10% divided by 360. That comes to 42,222. Next, we will be having say the cash discount. That is a new point that we have. The question is providing the information that the proportion of the sales on which customers currently take discount is 0.5. So right now half of the customers are availing discount. So what will happen? This is an amount of 80 lakhs into 0.5, that is 40 lakhs into rate of cash discount 1%. 40 lakhs into 1%, that comes to 40,000. That's it. All the expenses will be deducted from the revenue. 80 lakhs minus 68 lakhs minus 8 lakhs minus 42,222 minus 40,000. That will give us a profit. So the profit or loss in that there is a profit 3,17,778. I request all of you to write down answer for the present credit terms and then you compute the answer. What is the profit or loss for the new credit terms? Friends, as far as the existing credit terms are concerned, it is 1 by 10 net 30. And for the new one, it is 2 by 10 net 30. This is a sales value 85 lakhs. 80 lakhs plus 5 lakhs. 85 lakhs into 0.85. 72 lakh 25,000. Total fixed cost no change. It is going to remain 8 lakhs. Carrying cost 72.25 lakhs plus 8 lakhs divided by 360 into average collection period is provided as 14 days into cost of capital is given 10%. 72 lakh 25,000 plus 8 lakhs into 14 days into 10% divided by 360, 31,208. Cash discount 85 lakhs into zero point 0.8. Why? Because 80% customers are availing discount. Into rate of cash discount is 2%. 1,36,000. All the expenses will be deducted from the revenue. So it is 85 lakhs minus 72 lakh 25,000 minus 8 lakhs minus 31,208 minus 1,36,000. So 3,07,792. This is the way the profit or loss can be calculated. We can see that in both the cases say there is a profit, but in case of the existing one, the profit is more. So the company would be advised to continue with the existing credit policy. Dear students, over here we understand that this is into 0.8 because the question is providing the information that increase the proportion of discount sales to 0.8. That is, now instead of 50%, 80% customers are going to avail the advantage of the cash discount. That is the reason. So based on this working, we can tell that is we can ask the management of the company that continue with the existing credit policy. So the decision, the company should continue with existing credit period. Full stop. So this is the way we take a decision. Now just one point, only for time pass, that sometimes students have a question to me that sir, I have understood the entire question answer, however I have little doubt. So like what kind of doubt you have? Students have a point that sir, it has been given that the average collection period is right now 20 days. Right, that is in the proposed one, collection period is 14 days. So how this 20 and 14 has come suddenly? Because so this is what say I can understand, but how this 20 and 14 has come, I have not understood that. So I'm giving explanation this how this 20 days information is given and how 14 days information is given. You don't have to write anything, you just have to understand. See, customers are basically divided into two parts. Customers who do not avail cash discount and customers who avail cash discount. Proportion. See, it has been given that say in case of the proposed one, 80% customers are going to avail cash discount. So of course 20% will not avail the cash discount. So this 20% is found as balancing figure. Customers who avail the cash discount, they have to make payment in 10 days. For the remaining customers, the credit period is 30 days. So percentage into days. So what will happen? It is 0.20 into 30. and 0.80 into 10. So what will happen? This is 6 and this is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So average collection period would be 14 days. This is what we understand. This is the way they have provided to us weighted average collection period. In case of the existing one, what will happen? We understand that the customers who avail cash discount is 0.5. Customers who do not avail cash discount would be remaining 0.5. Customers who avail cash discount, they have to make payment in 10 days. For the remaining customers, the credit period is 30 days. So what we can do, we can calculate the weighted average. It is like this: 5 plus 15, that is the way it is 20 days. This is the way we are provided with the information about the existing weighted average collection period. So this is the way basically we understand that the average collection period information is provided to us in the example. This is only for understanding purpose. Now friends, whenever we are provided with this kind of information, that is say the 2 by 10 net 30 or something like that, then in that case, say we would be having say one of the 5 situations. What can be the information provided to us, and in that case how to do answer, that is what I am dictating to you. I just repeat that. Whenever we have been provided with something like this, 2 by 10 net 30 or 1 by 10 net 30, something like this, then in that case one of the 5 information may be provided to us. With what kind of information can be provided, that I am dictating to you. Along with that, say in that case how to do answer, that is also what I am going to dictate to you. So we have to prepare, that is we will write something like this. Please write along with me. For credit terms, two by 10 net 30, comma, we may be provided with one of the following information. In that situation number, information and answer. Situation number 1, information. 80% customers avail cash discount. Full stop. In bracket write down ACP. ACP stands for average collection period, is not given. So the first situation is like this, wherein we would be provided with the information that 80% of the customers are availing cash discount, and average collection period information may not be given to us in the example. In that case, how to do answer, that is what I am dictating to you. In the answer column, we will write like this: customers do not avail cash discount, and customers who avail cash discount. percentage days, percentage into days. 80% customers avail cash discount. So 80% are falling over here. And of course, remaining 20% are not availing cash discount. Customers who are availing cash discount, they don't have a choice but to make the payment within 10 days. So against this 80%, we will write 10 days. For the remaining customers, we understand that say we have offered the credit period of 30 days. So against this 20% will write 30 days. So what will happen? 20% into 30, that comes to 6 days. And 80% into 10, that comes to 8 days. 20% into 30 and 80% into 10. A kind of simple weighted average. Dear students, this working note is supposed to be prepared by you to make the calculation of average collection period, that is 14 days. And this 14 days will be used for the purpose of calculating the carrying cost. Situation number 2. In that say we may be provided like this. 80% customers avail cash discount, comma, remaining customers pay in 40 days. In bracket I am writing ACP, average collection period, is not given. I request you to write in the chat box that say in this case what would be the average collection period. Please write your answer in the chat box. So friends, again the customers are divided into two parts. Customers who avail cash discount and customers who do not avail cash discount. Like that, so there are two types of the customers that we have. We understand that's the percentage. Customers who do not, that is avail cash discount, are 80% and do not avail are remaining 20%. Number of days. Those who are availing cash discount don't have a choice but to make the payment in 10 days. For the remaining customers, we have offered them credit period of 30 days. However, they do not listen to us and they delay the payment. They make payment in 40 days. So what will happen? We understand that say customers who are that is delaying the payment. Because of that, say what will happen? So the overall collection period is required to be found like this: percentage into days. 20% customers are making payment in 40 days and 80% customers are making payment in 10 days. So overall average collection period would be 16 days. This is the way we are required to make the calculation of answer. Listen carefully friends, what I want to tell you is that the customers who are not availing cash discount, for them, so the expressly we have been provided that say they delay the payment. So directly or indirectly we may be provided with the information like this. And customers who are availing cash discount, they have to make payment in 10 days. So I request all of you to write down answer for second situation. In that say you have to consider average collection period 16 days for the purpose of making calculation of the carrying cost. Third situation. %80 customers avail cash discount, comma, Average collection period is 18 days. Now my question to all of you is this. Write answer in the chat box. Let's say for the purpose of calculating the carrying cost in this example, we will consider how many days? Please write answer in the chat box. So friends, over here we can say that the answer would be 18 days. Yes. Whatever the average collection period is given to us in the question, that itself is going to be used for calculation of answer. That's it. Why? Let us have understanding. See what happens at the question is providing the information like this. 80% customers are availing discount. Means 20% customers are not availing discount. Customers who are availing cash discount are making payment of course in 10 days. For the remaining customers, we will get the collection in X number of days. This is 8. This is 0.2x. And average collection period is 18 days. So what will happen? It is 8 plus 0.2x is equal to 18. 8 is transferred on the opposite side. So from positive it will become negative. X will remain over there only. 18 minus 8 is 10. 10 divided by 0.2. That comes to 50 days. So what happens at say basically 20% customers are delaying the payment and they are making payment in 50 days. That is the reason. What happens at say the overall collection period is not 14 days. Sir, 14 days? Yes, you can see that's in the first part of the question. When the remaining customers were making the payment in the due time, the collection period was 14 days. However, over here, so the customers who are not availing the discount are delaying the payment. That is the reason so the overall collection period is more than 14 days. Again, sometimes students are having a question that, sir, why do you explain all these things? We have been given the collection period of 18, so we have to take 18. That's it. Why so much explanation, sir? Giving reply to that question. See, basically what happens at say many a times the students are having a confusion that, sir, it has been given that say the 80% customers are availing discount. It means that the remaining customers are not availing discount. So technically the collection period should be 14 days. However, it has been given 18 days. So is there any printing error? There is no printing error. We have been provided with such kind of information. So this is only for understanding purpose. We do not have to make any such calculation. This is only for understanding purpose. The over here simple answer is 18 days will be considered for carrying cost calculation. That is what we understand. Fourth point. Neither it is given that what percentage of customers avail cash discount, comma, nor average collection period is given. So none of this two information given. Let's say what is the percentage of the customers availing discount or average collection period. Then in that case, what is supposed to be done? See friends, in that case, my suggestion is you can take your own assumption, because basically it is the like the question that should provide. Let's say this is what's the information. But if at all no such information is given, then in that case you have to just do the answer by putting a simple note. Let's say what kind of assumption that say you make with respect to the customers availing discount, with respect to the customers not availing discount. However, the uh, best assumption that you can make, okay, any assumption can be made, but the best assumption that you can make is that say nobody is availing cash discount, and you will take average collection period as 30 days, and cost of cash discount will be 0. Get an answer? In this type of situation, comma, we can make any assumption with respect to percentage of customers availing cash discount. Full stop. Accordingly, cost of cash discount and average collection period would be found. Further write down that preferably assume no one is availing cash discount, so cost of cash discount will be 0, comma, ACP average collection period will be 30 days. This is the way we are required to write the answer. Making any assumption is definitely acceptable. It is not like that, so it is not acceptable. Situation number 5. In that write down it has been given that ACP average collection period is 22 days. Full stop. In bracket write down percentage of customers availing cash discount is not given. I request you to write in the chat box that in this situation, what will be the percentage of the customers availing cash discount that we should consider in calculating the cash discount cost. So in this case, friends, how to do answer? Let us understand. See, again, customers are divided into two parts: customers who avail cash discount and customer who do not avail cash discount. Percentage. Let us say that this is X and this is 1 minus X. Number of days. Customers who avail cash discount have to make payment within 10 days. So it is 10x. Customers who do not avail cash discount, in absence of an information, we'll assume that say they are making payment in due time period, that is 30 days. So 30 into 1 minus x. So it is 30 minus 30x. Average collection period would be 22 days, which is provided to us in the example. This is the way a small equation can be formed. 10x plus 30 minus 30x is equal to 22. 10x plus 30 minus 30x is equal to 22. So what will happen? 30x will be transferred on the opposite side, so it will become positive. 10x will be transferred on the opposite side, it will become negative. 22 again transferred on the opposite side, so it will become negative. So this is 20x and this is 8. X is equal to 8 upon 20. 8 upon 20 is 0.40. It means, friends, indirectly we have been given that 40% customers are availing discount and 60% customers are not availing discount. So what will happen? Whatever the sales into 0.4, that is percentage of the sales, that is value of the sales who avail cash discount into rate of cash discount. That is the way we are supposed to say calculate the answer. So we understand that say 40% customers are availing cash discount. Full stop.